Hi there. Just a quick sort of intro before I get into the video today. I recently had an email from YouTube saying that I have been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. Yeah. What does this mean for me? Not a lot, really. Even once I do hit the magical 1,000 subscribers, which right now I'm only 20 or so away from, I've still got to hit another 400 watched hours of content before I can start earning from ad revenue. And when that does happen, am I expecting a life-changing sum of money that can transform my project and my life and I can become a full-time YouTuber? No, I'm not expecting that to happen at all. If that side of things can help to keep this project rolling, rather than the big gaps I have where I have to save up pennies to actually afford to do stuff, then yeah, that would be great. But yeah, I'm not expecting that to happen. But one of the things that it does open up is I can officially open a YouTube merch shop. I don't again expect that you'll really want much in the way of merch from myself, but I have put a little survey on the community tab in the on my channel, and it just sort of, yeah, simple things like maybe a winter beanie hat with something on it, or a t-shirt, or a sticker or something like that. If you wish to do something like that, go and hit the buttons, tell me what it is you'd like, and I will start about getting something like that rolling. I'm not expecting, the rate of which I get views on my videos, I'm not expecting to be able to officially do any of that properly until probably more towards Christmas time, which is why I was saying about a winter beanie hat. So yeah, if you could go and check out the community tab, go onto the little survey I've put up there, fill it out, just tap on the button of which you prefer. Gives me an idea of kind of where things are with what you want. So yeah, I just thought I'd start with that, and now on with today's video. Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to take apart the rear subframe, and I have a glamorous assistant.
Let's get cracking.
Let's get cracking.
Oh dear.
Oh, fire. You don't need a special tool, you need a special tin. Okay, a quick update as to why I've stopped progress on the car for now is I'm just assessing what bits I need and finding a way to actually pay for them, because there's more than I was expecting there. So let's just take you over to the car and show you what I need to do. So after the last video, I stripped all the paint off of here and underneath, and as you can see, I then went around and I put a little bit of rust inhibiting primer everywhere important that I could think of. Under here, under there, everywhere, which is all good, so it's not going to get any worse in a hurry. I did find a few areas that need a bit of attention. Mainly here, this is actually rotten on the inside as well, so I'm going to take a look at that, and that could get a little bit more expensive, but we'll worry about that later. I also went into the boot and I did the same on the areas that were needing it the most. Obviously I just wire brushed this rather than taking it to bare metal, because it really wasn't that bad. And so while I'm assessing what needs to be done and what I need to spend for things like that and these holes and the rest of it, we're going to get on with stripping the rear subframe down, and this little one has been asking to help for quite a while, so here we go.
Now is my time to shine. Let's go. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt it out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and onto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite, play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you standing a wishing. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and onto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Doubters all the night, and onto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Doubters all the night, and onto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite, play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you standing a wishing. Ignite, play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you standing a wishing. Ignite, play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you standing a wishing. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and onto them you shine.
This is how dirty your hands can get if you do it.
Yep, we got proper grubby. Now I'm sure you'll have seen at the end of that that video time lapse, we unpaused it and did a little bit of talking to camera. The boy wanted to go and get a snack, but Brainbox here, I'd gotten the microphone put in the wrong way, so you couldn't really hear what I was saying anyway, so it doesn't matter, we'll just cover it now quickly. We got grubby hands, that was what he wanted to say, and it's time for snack. And we stopped to watch Quali because, why not? So yeah, state of the subframe, let's see. So the subframe itself isn't that bad. I mean, this side, tiny little bit of bubbling, a little bit more here. They are known for it in these places. There's plenty of surface rust and it looks like it's really bad, but actually it's pretty good. All of this seems pretty good. Little bit of a another flaky bit up the top there, and on the other side it's very much the same. Now the lower side is known for taking more of a punishment because of the gunk that gets stuck in here clogs up the drain hole, and then they basically rot from the inside. So I'll have a good clean up around all of these bits and make sure it's good. But I thought I would cover, before I get to any of that, these buggers here. Anyone that's taken apart a rear subframe will know that they can be a real sod, and there is a special tool for it. If you look in the end here, there's like a little socket with a couple of pins on it. Now I've never actually seen said tool. I've previously used Stilsons to grip on the outside, but in this instance, if you haven't got Stilsons, because not a lot of people do nowadays, I thought I'd show you a quick alternative, and that is a slightly squashed angle grinder key. Fits nicely. I can get it not so close to the floor. That fits in nicely, and then that gives you the opportunity to undo that nut without this end spinning around. So all I've done is literally, as you can see, squashed it in the vise. Now this one was already bent and damaged anyway, and I didn't use it on the angle grinder. It's just one of those tools you keep because you never know, and now I do know. I know why. So yes, that will be placed in there. This is a nut and bolt job with a spanner, so it's not like you can get an impact gun in there unless you've got a angle drive, and even then I think it's probably too close. So yeah, we'll try it and get these ones out, and then the last little bit will be stripping off the brake pipes. Now these are the original steel brake pipes, which shows how long they've been here, so I might replace them with copper, but might not. We'll see, we'll see. Right, anyway, let's crack on with getting these out. Okay, let's see if it will go. That's small. 11/16, not 3/4. There we go. And it is just a slow process, bit at a time, until the pin comes out.
Your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and onto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite, plant the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you instead of wishing. Listen, do your own math and learn from the stuff that you are missing. Create your own path with your own vision.
Job's a good one. Woohoo! I'll be putting a label on that, putting it in the drawer now. Having said repeatedly, the subframe's not that rusty. It's in a good condition. Poked around a bit now. It's not as good as I thought. So this being the lower side, obviously it takes a bit more punishment from the road and then the general moisture and corrosion. This bit here, actually, that's really quite ugly. If I was going to do anything with that, it'd be you can actually get this part of a subframe and brand new. I could go back to bare metal and flat it now and patch it up, but the more you look, you're like, okay, so that'd need sorting out here, up there. You're not far off from the same here. You're getting similar on this bottom edge, and then when you turn the subframe over on the top edge, it's not so bad, but again, starting to lose bits in this corner. And actually, the more I think about it, yeah, I think I will put a rear subframe in, which is annoying financially because they're getting not cheap now. I have found one nice and reasonably affordable on Marketplace. It's just whether I can tie up going and getting it or not, because it's not local by any stretch of the imagination. What has surprised me, let me just show you something quickly. The biggest surprise I've had with pulling this apart is remembering that the actual bare subframe itself isn't all that heavy. There's all these lightweight motorsport people cutting holes out of it, but actually, yeah, as far as things go, the subframe itself isn't that heavy. What has surprised me, I think more, is how heavy a single radius arm is, but that's honestly heavier than the subframe. So if you were going to do weight reduction, leave that alone, sort them out first. But even on that note, if you're going to start taking weight out of the bottom of the car, you should really have taken some weight out the top of the car, otherwise you're shifting your centre of gravity up. I know this is unsprung weight and all the rest of it and yada yada yada, but it always makes sense in my head, and I think in motorsport perspectives as well, to remove weight from the top of the car. So like your carbon skin, your carbon bonnet, your carbon boot, your perspex windows, your lightweight doors, take the weight out of the top, lose the interior, lose the headlining, take the weight out, get the weight centre of gravity down, and then you start sort of like taking the weight out of these bits, the front suspension arms, the front hubs, sort of you've gone too low, you can bring it back up, you can really get the last bits, but these have a lesser effect on the twisting motion of a car around a corner. So yeah, it was a bit of a surprise remembering the weight of these. It's been a long time since I carried one. So yeah, I'm gonna stop the video there. I have got some panels sitting in a basket of mini spares ready to order, but I haven't done it yet because I just wanted to see what else I needed. So probably some rear slave cylinders, probably some brake pads. I've got the brake hoses already. I'll check the pins and the bushes out, but again, I think I did them before I built it last time. So yeah, I'm going to hold fire there and see how the finances work with the subframe and all the panelly bits. So thank you for watching, and thank you for entertaining the little one at the beginning. He did very much enjoy it, and as kids do, 10 minutes or something. Right, okay, bored now, what else? Anyway, I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.